With goLoyalty's advanced setup, you get full flexibility. You can set exclusions, create custom tiers, and even cap rewards to fit your store's goals. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom tier levels and use the reward cap option. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From the Rewards page, go to the Rewards section. Then select Advanced. Click Add New to create a tier. This opens the reward level setup page. First, enter a reward name. This is only for store admins, so choose something descriptive. Next, add the price range and reward for this level. Enter the minimum amount, the maximum amount, and the reward back percentage. Make sure your reward levels do not overlap with other tiers. For example, if one tier covers $150 to $200, don't create another that also includes that range. Below this, you'll see the reward cap option. To enable it, check the box to set a limit on how much this reward can give back. When checked, a new field appears. Enter the maximum reward amount in dollars. For example, if you set it to $50, customers in this tier will never earn more than $50 in store credit, no matter how high their purchase. When you're done, click Save. And that's how you set up custom tier levels and reward caps in goLoyalty. For any questions or assistance, just click Get Help at the top right. Epic is here to support you every step of the way.